2020 iPhone, Apple prepares amazingly small smartphone. New iPhone models, iPad and other new items from the traditional September presentation of Apple. Apple plans to provide its users with a compact, powerful, and seemingly not too expensive iPhone SE 2 in 2020. Such information appeared on the web, giving rise to many rumors. What is known about a possible new iPhone? According to DG Times Insider information, 2020 will be a miniaturization year for Apple. And the compact iPhone SE 2 will lead this process. Its dimensions are 5.42 inches, which is significantly smaller than most modern models. And not much more than its ideological predecessor, iPhone SE, whose length was 5 inches. The idea of a frameless style will also develop further. In the new iPhone SE 2, both the bezel and the main button will become even smaller and invisible. This camera overload, which is observed in the models of 2018 to 2019, will also disappear. As for other parameters, the iPhone SE 2 will be equipped with an OLED display, which is much simpler and cheaper than what is now used by LG and Samsung. So the price of a miniature iPhone bite will definitely not budget, compact and very functional device.